What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Pipeline the Surf Coaster construction update. In yesterday's update, well, we showed you a bunch of progress that had happened with the ride, and as I was driving in, there was even more. They're working on the Airtime hill. Parking was a breeze, same with security, and ticket windows, well, nobody's really up here. Turnstiles, empty. We'll be right in. Pipeline has more workers on the launch track again. They were doing that yesterday. And we can see that Airtime hill going up into the air over there now. And over here, the workers are torque striping bolts just like yesterday. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Yeah, not very busy as you can see. Hot, somewhere in the 80s, and a little bit of a breeze, but beautiful blue skies. It's crazy, there's like nobody here. Split point, Sky Tower's in operation, so you already know we're heading that way. Sky Tower, we have arrived. Gonna get some awesome views of that new track.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. As well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care. Always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them. Hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has been voted the #1 outdoor water park in the USA. Visit the information counter today to see how you can experience Discovery Cove and Aquatica. We are on a mission to protect marine life and the oceans they call home.
Yeah, buddy, it is bridge time, and as we saw from Sky Tower, they had about maybe 3 segments of track since yesterday. They finished off this little Airtime hill right here, and they'll complete the rest of it, the run out, sometime tomorrow more than likely. The crane is in position. Of course, the high-speed turns over there we showed in our last update, complete, and I'm thinking sometime by next week, maybe? I don't know, it depends on how quick they work. We may have the layout complete. We'll see.
and step carefully over the blue bar. Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We got construction ducks. Decent amount of progress today, but it's not enough for me to fly the drone. So maybe if they do some more work tomorrow and they get some more track pieces in, we'll do it. Sorry guys. Manta is near, and so are my pink chickens. Good to see him, as always. Always got to stop and see him. There is one of the new baby pink chickens. I think that's Sunday. And then Sprinkle's gonna be just right over here. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Pipeline the Surf Coaster. A little bit of a shorter update, but they didn't put up too much track, about 3 segments. A ton of new supports, however, are on the ground, and we're expecting those are going to go up tomorrow with maybe a couple pieces of track. Of course, we're going to have plenty more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Midway Mayhem. We'll see you out on Midway, guys. Bye.